Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I'm gonna make fish cakes, cod fish cakes. Let's go through the ingredients and we start to cook. The ingredients is for this amazing recipe. We got 300 grams of cod. I'm gonna use cod loin. That's what I got. 2 eggs, salt, pepper. I got here 2 tablespoons of capers, half a lemon, 200 milliliters of milk. I got here 300 grams of boiled potatoes, just boiled in water with salt. Here I got some flour and here some breadcrumbs with herbs. I use oregano or mixed Italian herbs, whichever you prefer. Also I will need 200 milliliters of oil. This being said, let's start do the fish cake. Now to start with, I'm gonna use, I told you I got 300 grams of cod loin. You can use haddock, or if you got any other preferences on fish, you can use any. It works perfect in this combination, trust me. And I'm gonna add the milk. I'm gonna use oat milk this time. I put the milk, salt, pepper, 15 minutes medium heat on the stove. In the meanwhile, until it's cooking the fish, I transfer the potatoes in a big bowl. I'm gonna put the bowl here. I'm gonna chop nicely the capers. I'm gonna add these capers on top of the potatoes. If you like to use any herbs, you can put any herbs you want. The half a lemon, I'm gonna squeeze it in. I'm gonna put the rest of the black pepper and the sea salt. As you can see, Maldon sea salt, the best sea salt. I will say it in each single video. Now I got here a normal fork and I'm just gonna crush everything. Now this is pretty much it. When the fish is ready, we're gonna add the fish to the mix. Now the fish is cooked. I just drain it. As you can see, it's still hot. I might put a bit, I think I put a bit too much potatoes for the amount of fish which I cooked. So maybe put 100 gram less. It's up to you. It depends how fishy you like it. How strong the flavor of fish you like it. And I just flake it in here. Now it's everything folded in. I'm gonna start to shape. I washed my hands before and I'm gonna start to shape balls like this size. From this amount I got 6 lovely fish cakes. Super simple. I got here plain flour. I put a little bit of salt in it. Egg. The 2 eggs which I showed you at the beginning. And here I got the breadcrumbs. So we take one fish cake. We put it through the flour, as you can see. Make sure you tap off all the excess flour. It's going into the egg. And in the breadcrumb. This is pretty much it. I'm gonna carry on with the rest and after I show you how I cook them. I got here the 200 milliliters of oil which I told you when we start the video. It's already hot, so I'm gonna put them in. You don't need to leave them more than 2-3 minutes on each side because remember, all the ingredients are already cooked. And we check them after 3 minutes. After 3 minutes It's time to flip them. You can see how nice they look. Nice golden brown. Lovely color. Another 2-3 minutes on this side and we are ready. Now it's time to take them out. They are lovely, nice and golden on both sides, as you can see. And hot. We're going with the other 3. And I'll see you for the taste test. Thank you everyone for watching this episode. I hope you did enjoy it. Please try this recipe. The kids, especially the kids, would love it. And as you saw, it's extremely simple and quite cheap to make. Let's do the taste test. I got here my lovely fish cakes with lemon. I got here a little bit of mayo. Things which I like. It's very tasty, very simple and cheap. You have no reasons why to don't try it. This being said, thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you on next week with a new comfort food dish.